Hey everyone, it's Tao with Love by Tao, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a kid-safe and an adult hand sanitizer. The coronavirus has everybody going crazy, and all the hand sanitizer is selling out. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a natural hand sanitizer that's not only amazing for the environment, but also great for you because it won't become bacteria resistant like the other hand sanitizers out there. So, with that being said, if you don't feel like making all of this and buying all of this, I already have it made. So just head over to Love by Tao and order you some hand sanitizer and check out all my other products I make, all organic, vegan, natural, and cruelty-free products. So just go check it out. And now we have hand sanitizer for the hands. You will need aloe vera gel, witch hazel, vitamin E oil, lavender oil, lemon oil, eucalyptus oil, tea tree oil, rosemary oil, clove bud oil, and cinnamon oil. The first thing we're going to do is add 8 ounces of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is great for moisturizing the skin, and it also has antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of witch hazel. Witch hazel is an amazing natural cleanser. Then, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil for extra moisture. And it's dry in Colorado, so I really suggest that you put that extra 1/4 of vitamin E oil up in there. So for the kids version, we're going to add lavender and tea tree oil up in there. And we're gonna do 50 drops of tea tree oil. And we're gonna do 20 drops of lavender oil. Now, drum roll please, we're going to do our adult version. So we're going to add 20 drops of lavender. All of these essential oils that will be used has been found to kill most types of bacteria. We're going to add 10 drops of eucalyptus. We're going to add 10 drops of clove bud. Ten drops of rosemary. 10 drops of lemon. And then 10 drops of cinnamon. So we're gonna mix it all together, and then you can add it into your container of choice. I've chosen to use an amber glass bottle, and yeah. And you guys, hand sanitizer is not taking the place from you washing your hands. You know, I gotta be specific with y'all. Wash your hands with some soap. With some soap. For more than 30 seconds. Create all that friction and then rinse. And make sure you dry your hands. You guys have an amazing night. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Share this all over because everybody needs to know how to make hand sanitizer. And if they don't feel like making it, give them a resource to buy it.